I miss having some stiletto nails, and if you've been here long enough, then you know that stiletto nails are my favorite because I function well with them no matter how long they are.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me.
Hey guys, so I am going to be doing my left hand today. I already have my stiletto nails on. I'm actually really happy that I'm going to be doing stiletto nails. For some reason, I'm in the mood, so much in the mood. I am going to be using these nails from Shein. I don't have any stiletto nails that are longer than this, so you know what, it's okay. I have this nail design that I want to do. Excuse excuse me there. I know you can see me. Ciao. I have my headsets on and all of that. It's actually really funny. I am listening to this book by Brian Tracy, No Excuses. So that's why I'm doing this voiceover. Okay, I am in the mood. I am in my zone. But I am going to be using these sequins, like the Mylar, is it Mylar Flakes, and the gold what again? Gold foil, yes. And then last time I used this the Mylar Flakes from this bottle, they were so big. That's why I have my scissors out here so I can cut them down and have them in small pieces, but I feel like they're okay. I just guess maybe it was the top of that the bottle that the Mylar Flakes were big, so yeah, I didn't end up cutting anything. So I am going to be using this base gel to adhere everything onto my nails, because you know that I struggle to adhere anything using acrylic. So I am going to use base gel to put on the Mylar Flakes and their gold foils onto my nails, and then I'm going to cure that. Hopefully it will stay in place. But yeah, as you can see, I am struggling to use the gold foil because it can be very difficult to work with. But we push on, okay? We move on. I'm actually really excited about this nail set. I love. I think when I'm just in the mood to do nails, I just feel like no matter how bad they turn out, I'll still feel good. So, and this is how the nails are looking after I have adhered everything that I need to encapsulate onto my nails. So now I'm just gonna use like a milky white and a little bit of pink, onto my nails. I don't have a milky white, so what I did was I used the white acrylic that I have and I mixed it with the white acrylic to make it a little bit of milky, to make it look a little bit milky. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on with that and a little bit of a lighter pink. I also don't have a light pink, so I did mix a very pigmented pink with a little bit of white so that it doesn't look too pigmented. So I custom made the acrylics that I am using today, of course with the exception of the clear that I am going to use to encapsulate the nails. So this is how the nails are looking. I am loving that. So I'm just gonna go on and do my pinky finger and my thumb. I was supposed to do both pink, but yeah, like after doing my pinky finger pink, I was like, maybe I want to see how the milky white looks with the pink. So I just went on with a full pink coverage on my pinky finger, which looks cute, and then on my thumb I went on with the milky white. It's not too milky, but it's not as bright a white that my actual white acrylic looks. So I just thought, let me ombre the two acrylics that I've custom made with each other, and let's see how that looks. And I actually like the outcome of the ombre of the pink and the white. Actually, I really do. I just feel like the camera, I don't know if it's the camera or the lighting is too bright that I feel like everything just looks white at this point. But I am going to show you how everything looks once I am done with the application. Hopefully it will show properly on camera, because right now everything just looks white. I don't know if it's because of the lighting, but you know. And basically this is all my nails done. Now I am gonna encapsulate everything using the clear acrylic. Yeah, this is my favorite part. I really like encapsulating everything. I think I should start making videos at least once a month where I encapsulate something. In fact, I should do like at least one encapsulation video in a month, one nail art video in a month where I use like gel colors and I draw something, you know, just to make sure that I don't gravitate towards one thing for all the videos that I make, you know, because I tend to gravitate towards just doing like a base acrylic color, and then Frenchies, you know, using gel, and then so this is how the nails are looking after they have all been encapsulated. I am gonna file all my nails. They're a little bit bulky, but they don't look too bad, so I'm just going to debulk all of that and just file everything down. So my nail has lifted because I have peel off base coat. So I am going to use the sticky tabs onto my nail and see if that will work, because I've seen Zule's nails do a full set with just sticky tabs so that she can take them off and keep them as press on. So I just thought, let me just use that and not actually use actual glue, because I do have peel off base coat and that's why it has popped off. And sometimes when your nails pop off while you're filing and then you put on glue, then it's hard to remove the nails. I don't want to go through the whole process of like reapplying peel off base coat and then glue again. So that's why I'm using these sticker tabs. So I'm just testing out if this will make it like comfortable for me to file without being wobbly. I mean, it is a bit wobbly, and also it is quite hard to file the pinky finger because I just don't have any like enough support for my pinky finger, but turned out great. So this is how my nails are looking after all of them have been filed. Not yet buffed, but I like how everything has gone, and thank goodness none of the other nails popped. So yeah, it seems like the sticky tab hack works. I might use that in the future to do like, you know, acrylic press-ons. We'll see. So I'm just gonna go on and buff my nails to remove all the scratches on my nails before I don't feel like I want to do anything extra on this nail set, because I feel like I like it the way it is, simple as it is. So yeah, I don't think I want to do anything extra to this nail set, but let's see. I'm just gonna buff off the nails, like I said, to remove all the scratches, and this is how the nails are looking. They are washed. I washed my hands, and like I said, I really love this nail set. I think I'm just gonna go on and just apply, you know, top coat. But yeah, I am gonna wipe off the crusty looking areas on my skin, because as much as I've washed off the nails, they do look a little bit crusty on my cuticle area. So I'm just wiping all of that with alcohol. And also because I did get a little bit busy, you know, I just thought, let me remove some of the bodily oils or anything that could have been on my nails, so that the top coat will sit well on. I mean, you can see on my pinky finger that it is a bit separated to my nail, but no one will know, okay? No one will know, just me and you. So I am just gonna apply top coat onto all of my nails. Now let's see the satisfying parts, the encapsulated areas. Let's see if they pop. I already liked how that gold looks. Ooh, I love that. But I feel like because there's not like milky white, it kind of makes it look like it's cloudy, like the nails are cloudy, but they're actually really clear. So I love that. I really love that. I feel like if I wanted to see how everything looks underneath that milky white, then I'd have to look underneath the nail like that, you know. But I still feel like I like how the nails are looking. I'm not going to top coat the bottom side of my nails. I don't feel like it's necessary. I really don't like top coating the bottom side of my nails. But if I had like clear, like super clear nails, I probably would, you know, even though I don't like it. But as you can see, my cuticle area isn't really, I need to stop working neater, okay, for my cuticle areas. But yeah, I avoid them a lot because I hurt them. I keep hurting my cuticle areas, so that's why I'm just like, it'll look neat at the end. It might not look neat during the process, but in the end it will, because I don't want to hurt myself. But yeah, let me carry on top coating these nails off camera. And this is how the nails are looking. I'm actually loving the set. Like, I don't even feel like I want to put on rhinestones or anything on the set. I love it as it is, like as simple as it looks. And I'm gonna go on with the cuticle oil onto my cuticle areas to make sure that they are not as crusty. Let me know what you guys think about this nail set. I feel like this is one of my favorite nail sets thus far. One off, because I started with the money nails and I love those. So let me know what you think about these nails. If you're still watching this far, please leave a pink heart emoji to let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any constructive criticism regarding these nails, how I could have improved the nail set, please let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me know love. Oh no.